다 지나서 되지 다 미럽 셴베체들이 죄송합니다. 다 아주 차찬다 미럽 캠버리 또 갈래갈래 봐 쏘르고요. 미지 탑주스는데 미럽지 계속 말해. 미럽은 미럽 조가지. 당에 미럽디 딱 갈래갈래 쏘르고요. 난 지나서 미럽디 다 슈팅에게 미럽지.
The 16th Kashak has initiated a new program called VTAC, that is Voluntary Tibet Advocacy Group. At this time, when the situation inside Tibet is very grave and that other issues have taken precedence over Tibet, it's time for particularly the young Tibetans to lead the Tibetan movement all around the world right now due to the social changes and the demographic changes that have been going within the Tibetan community. It's very, very essential that every single Tibetan should contribute to the Tibetan cause, and we are offering you this opportunity. Please do join the Voluntary Tibet Advocacy Group and make the issue of Tibet known to others all around the world. Thank you.